Today, got a microphone now. Today we're gonna be harvesting radishes. Ta-da! The final bounty. Not a lot, but pretty good for my first radish. My first radish rodeo, as they say. So I'm gonna wash these down. I'm gonna cut off the leaves and I'll go ahead and bring them inside. You ever play the game Pikmin? Look it up. Go on Google, look it up. This is what Pikmin literally look like. Looks like a whole Pikmin. Like if you were to see the whole Pikmin, it literally looks like this guy, bro. Pikmin. Seven, not bad. First Radish Rodeo, didn't plant a ton. Probably got about 5 more, 6 more coming. Gonna plant some more now. So I'll do some succession sowing, pop a couple seeds in some holes and see how they grow. Stay tuned. Thank you for tuning in. This is Georgia from Ahmed.